Man, I'm convinced that the longer I live, the more kindness is so key. I mean, it's the littlest things. If you need to merge, and let's say you forget, and all of a sudden the turn's coming, and you need to quickly merge in the lane, just a simple hey in the back, thank you. That is so huge. It can turn someone who's upset and ticked off to immediately be like, okay, cool, they made a mistake. I'm just convinced, like, team interaction, team unity is so important. And it's so easy to respond in anger when we feel like we've been hurt, when we feel like we've been maligned, when we feel like we've been disrespected. It's easy just to fire off a response. But when you respond in kindness instead of anger, it's amazing. It like diffuses the temperature. It's literally like putting cold water on a bomb that's about to blow up and just extinguishing the fuse, extinguishing the flame. The other day, I was at a conference speaking, Nick Francis's conference, Sky Sprout Summit, and his team was amazing. They were working so hard, and you could just see it. You could see that they were understaffed, that they were hustling, that they were doing their best. And me as a speaker, I don't know, I just walked over to their table and I said, you know what? You guys are my favorite people. I'll tell you why, because without you, this event would not be happening. You guys are critical. You guys are so essential for this event. And I'm sure right now you feel tired, but I just want to say this event's awesome and I'm proud of you. That's it. My goal was not to do anything other than I know in 3 months our team's going to be hustling. Our team's going to be working. Our team's going to be putting in the time. That's all. I was not trying to make an impression. I just said that. A few minutes later, one of the people came up to me and said, "Thank you. You have no idea how that was encouraging to us. It gave us energy. We are tired, but it just inspired us." Listen, that took 2 minutes. That was free. And here it inspired them. And listen, I don't always act with kindness. You don't either, right? I mean, sometimes we're just upset. Sometimes we haven't slept well. Whatever. Hangry. Maybe you're hungry and you haven't eaten. The point is this: kindness, you can't beat it. It's free, but it's one of the best business strategies you have. It's one of the best life strategies you have in your back pocket. Use it. Use it today. Speak a kind word. Lift somebody up. Your words have power to destroy, power to heal. In fact, I tell my kids all the time, your words are like water or like gasoline. Your words, it's like you're holding 2 buckets, water, gasoline. And when you walked into a situation, you can pour it on, either one, and you'll get a response. This is Kary Oberbrunner, Be a Soul on Fire. Let me know your thoughts. If you want to check out our conference, ignitingsoulsconference.com, we'd love to have you there. See ya.